Hello, my name is Kim and I'm going to be introducing finger picking in this video. I'm going to show you some patterns including the one I just did. And throughout the video I'm going to be using the C, the A minor, F, and G7 chords. So if you don't already know those, please watch the first video lesson so you can follow along. Well, let's get started. Before we get started, I want to go over fingering. Now what I find that's most efficient is to assign each finger to a string. So your thumb, index, middle, and ring finger. And you'll play the strings like that. And make sure you're hitting the string with your nail because it's going to give the clearest sound. So you might want to grow your nails out just a little bit. Okay? So just practice playing the strings like that. Slowly at first, and then increase the speed as you feel more comfortable. And you don't need to be playing any chords on your left hand, so just play the strings openly until you feel comfortable. So the first pattern I'm going to show you is inside out pattern. So you pick the inside strings first and then the outside strings, and it sounds like this. With finger picking, you can kind of alter the patterns and make it your own. So for this pattern, you can do it the opposite way. So instead of starting with the E string, you can start with the C string. So it's just the same pattern, but the opposite way. So the second pattern is outside in. Like the first pattern, you can also alter it. So the third pattern sounds like this. That I use in the intro. So it's a little bit more complicated than the first two, so if you were to split it up, it will make it a lot easier to learn. So the first part is just this. And then if you notice, the second part is just an outside in pattern. Practice the first part first, and once you get the hang of that, add in the second part. The fourth pattern sounds like this. So pretty straightforward. Just watch out for that rest after the second beat, and the last note is twice as long as the other notes. Okay, the fifth pattern. An alteration in this one would be hitting the E string first. So the sixth pattern. Having trouble with this one, just take it in pieces. The first part, second part, the last part I'm going to show you is in 3/4 time. This is actually the finger picking pattern a lot of people use for Hallelujah. So if you like that song and you want to learn it, try this finger picking pattern.